Tired of the constant salon cycle? These stunning shag cuts evolve beautifully over time, offering a low-maintenance glow-up that stays chic for months. Which one will be your new signature look? 1. Butterfly Shag. Perfect for those craving volume without the weight. Its cascading layers blend seamlessly as they grow, making it ideal for heart-shaped faces and thick hair textures. This style creates a soft, feminine frame that hides awkward growth stages. It is the go-to choice for fine-haired individuals looking to add movement and the illusion of density. 2. Curly Wolf Cut. Specifically designed for natural curls, this cut utilizes internal layers to prevent the hair from becoming bottom-heavy, ensuring a balanced silhouette during the entire growth process. Ideal for those who want an edgy look without the daily styling struggle. The texture disguises split ends, making it the ultimate low-maintenance choice for wavy hair types. 3. Bottleneck Shag. This cut features bangs that are narrow at the top and wider at the cheekbones. It transitions perfectly into long curtain layers, requiring zero trims for months. A brilliant choice for square face shapes, as the curved fringe softens the jawline. It offers a sophisticated yet and done vibe that looks intentional even as it reaches shoulder length. 4. Layered Midi-Shag. The Midi-Shag is the gold standard for versatility. By focusing weight in the middle, it avoids the mullet look as it grows, making it perfect for office environments. Great for medium to thick hair, this style uses thinning techniques to ensure the hair remains manageable. It looks effortless whether air-dried or lightly tousled with sea salt spray. 5. Wispy Bardot Shag. Inspired by 60s icons, this shag uses very fine layers to create a cloud-like effect. It is the best option for fine hair that usually falls flat during growth. This style is all about the eye-skimming fringe that grows into a beautiful face frame. It's ideal for those who want a romantic, vintage aesthetic with minimal tools. 6. Razor-cut Pixie Shag. For those starting short, a razor-cut shag allows the hair to grow into a bob without the helmet face. The jagged ends keep the shape looking modern, perfect for heart-shaped faces. This cut emphasizes the eyes and cheekbones. It's a brave choice that rewards you with an easy, stylish transition into a longer shag. 7. Soft Mullet Shag. A modern take on a classic, the soft mullet shag blends the dramatic length difference with seamless layers. It's a high-fashion look that requires almost zero styling. Best for oval and oblong faces, this cut adds width where it's needed. As the back grows, it simply becomes a gorgeous, long layered shag without losing its cool factor. 8. Choppy Long Shag. If you love long hair but hate the weight, this is it. The choppy ends prevent the triangle shape, allowing the hair to grow to waist length beautifully. This cut is a lifesaver for those with thick, heavy hair. It removes bulk while maintaining length, ensuring your hair looks healthy and bouncy even between trims. 9. Face Framing Micro-Shag. Combining short, baby bangs with shaggy length creates a striking contrast. It's a bold look that focuses all attention on the eyes and brow bone, ideal for those with small features who don't want to be overwhelmed by hair. As the micro bangs grow, they transition into a classic shag fringe effortlessly. 10. Tapered Shag with Bangs. This is the most balanced version of the shag. The tapered ends ensure that the hair flows inward, preventing frizz and flyaways as the hair gets longer. A perfect match for wavy hair textures. The taper helps control the volume at the bottom, making it a very polite version of the shag that grows out perfectly.